Hi, my name is Ruth Donnelly from Coachwood Nursery in Somersby, New South Wales, Australia. I want to share this plant with you here, some information, and I get asked questions about this plant a lot, and it's got a few little quirks which I just wanted to let you know about. And it's quite legal to grow this plant in Australia. It's one of the only Opuntias that we can legally sell, and it's an absolutely fantastic landscaping plant. The round pads that grow on these plants are always a blue. It's almost completely thornless, and it grows just by adding new pads as it gets taller. It just sends out 1 or 2 pads each year. But if you notice on this side here, there's very little speckling or spotting, which is because it's been shaded from the afternoon sun. If I turn this pot around, the hot afternoon sun has hit here, and it's just caused a little bit of natural speckledy sort of pattern. And that's the question I get asked. They say, well, is there anything wrong? It looks a little bit like a scale insect. It's absolutely normal, and it's nothing to worry about. So no, it's not a scale insect, because look at that. The other side is completely clean. It's just a mechanical issue for the plant that is quite common, and you don't need to worry about it at all. So it's on the older growth mainly, and you'll see that it's quite interesting how that it just, from any particular point, it suddenly sends up these new pads which start off very small, and then it just gets bigger and bigger. And if you've got it in a big pot and you're feeding it really well, then these pads can actually grow much bigger, and they look quite sensational as they just get taller and taller. So the other day I was looking around this area, and I changed the pads so that they were just facing a little bit different direction, and see there on this one as well. That's something just unique to this plant, and it's certainly nothing to worry about, because this plant, you don't often see it close up. You normally enjoy it from a distance. Fantastic in a container. It's very long-lived. This plant will outlive me, and it's very useful. So I hope you can enjoy the Opuntia ficus-indica, and it's just a really great plant to have in your collection and in your garden.